How to buy Minecraft from G2A. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're trying to buy Minecraft from G2A, these are the methods you can follow. So you can head over to g2a.com in your browser. Once you are there, you should be finding this interface. So all you need to do is head over to the search bar in order to search for the Minecraft from this website. So you can go ahead and type in Minecraft in the given search bar. Once you do that, you should be finding the results for Minecraft that you may be trying to download. So go ahead and hit enter first. And once you do that, you will be finding results here. So all you need to do in order to buy those Minecraft that you're looking for is, you can find the amount written on the site. You just need to go ahead and enter up the payment method. You can add up a payment method, your preferred one, and go ahead and enter up the money that is required in order to buy it. And once that is done, you should be able to buy Minecraft from G2A. So make sure your account is logged in first, and then you should be able to do it. So for now, that is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.